see, are you ready to have our sister skincare session together? Honestly, it's quiet, it's peaceful now that the baby's sleeping. So I figure, why not just pamper ourselves, kind of take a step back, relax, and just really enjoy the moment. Awesome. Yeah, I just sanitized. Don't worry about it. I have a headband here for you. Let me just move your hair back a little bit. I'm going to wrap this around you, okay? Let's get your hair out of the way a little bit. Does that feel pretty secure? Good. All right. Well, let's just go in with maybe cleansing the face a little bit. I know you cleansed it already. Okay, well, let's just go in with a little bit more of like a cleanser. And I'm just gonna spray some thermal water on you as well, and we'll kind of extra clean the skin. You know what I mean? Close your eyes for me. Just really bring some of that moisture back to the skin. I mean, I had a pretty exhausting morning, but now I just kind of want to relax with you. So I'm quiet. That's why I took my son to a play cafe. So let's just really kind of get that cleanser in the skin there. And I'll grab a towel to kind of wipe all this off too. I'm going to add a little bit more of that thermal water, and then I will dry off your face. Cover your eyes there. Okay. I got a towel here. We can use this to pat dry. I really just want to make sure it's all clean and good to go for the random acids, hyaluronic, salicylic, or however you say it, all those acid stuff you put on your face. Yep, I got it all today, don't you worry. Okay, get your face here. Seems dry. How's it feeling? Nice and moisturized, right? Good. Okay, so let's go in with this toner. Do you use toner? I don't, but ooh, that's an interesting consistency. I'm gonna close it with one hand. Ooh, yeah, it's really interesting. Okay, but it smells good, so. Get off the extra product with that towel I was just using on you earlier. But it does smell amazing, I will say that. How's your skin feeling with that? Smell like watermelon, right? Yeah, Glow Recipe always is spot on with that stuff. Okay, sorry, I need to rinse my hands. Give me a second. Just gonna pat that dry before we put on the next product. Okay, next up, we've got one of the salicylic serum. Cool. I'm just gonna apply this directly to your face if you don't mind, so that I don't have to keep cleaning my hands. Okay, let's rub that in. This one smells nice too, honestly. Okay. Mm-hmm. Do you have like a favorite skincare brand? Comment below. got a lot to teach me, honestly. I feel like you really study that market, whereas I'm just going with the flow. You know, don't ask how old these products are. All right. We'll give your face time to absorb everything that we've been putting on it. Next up is a hyaluronic acid serum. Cool. Okay. Ooh, I like the sounds there. Okay. I don't want to put too much. That's kind of fun, sorry. Maybe put too much, I don't know. I really like the means of that. Okay, let's put that in, rub in, I guess, because it's kind of watery. Keep it away from your eyes, of course. Okay, very good. Let's wait a little bit. Again, is that headband feeling okay on you? Awesome. I feel like I did a thing of Pilates yesterday, like a YouTube video, and my back today is just not vibing. It's like, and it looks so easy. That's what kills me. It's like people around me judging me like, girl, what is that gonna do for you? And I'm like, I feel more sore after that than I do lifting weights, but no, this is just moisturizer. And then how about we do a face mask at the end? That could be kind of fun and different. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Honestly, I think you need more moisturizer, surprisingly. On your forehead. Sorry, how unprofessional of me. Okay. Okay, gotta clear my hands again. This is a lot of icky stuff. I don't know how people just apply this all the time. Okay, awesome. Okay, so next up we have a little eye cream. So let's put that. I think the face mask would be too much. Okay, look up. And I'm gonna be very gentle around the eyes. I do know that. You taught me that. Just look up. Okay. Keep looking up, please. I'm trying my best. I just don't want to like rub it in, you know? So you just gotta be patient with me. Okay. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Let's put a little bit of chapstick for you. Here. Rub it in. A little bit more. There you go. Awesome. Next thing here is I wanted to actually put some grape water to top it off. And let me close your eyes. Good job. You know, if anything, I think I might brush out your hair, and then we can kind of go over the face masks I was going to do for you today, because I just feel like I put so much. I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. Here, let's do this face mask today. Caffeine infused. I love that for us. I love you a latte. Okay, let's do this one. I guess I'll keep your hair back for this, because I don't know how this is gonna go, right? Is it bad that I'm like scared to get this stuff on my hand? I do it for you. I do it for you. I mean, I've been offering these to you, but I've never actually put one on you. Ooh, please don't be too ooey gooey. Okay, let's see if I could work with what I just did. Okay, let's grab this out here. Okay, cute. Nice and icky gooey. We love that. Okay, yeah, I'm so glad that I get to pamper you this much. Okay. Woohoo. I know. I hold all the face masks. Like, why do I have so many if I don't? Oh my gosh, it's shaped into hearts. That's a very sweet find. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna. It's nice and sticky. Okay, let me just pat that. Okay, does it feel? I mean, it went around both your eyes really well, so that's good. Love that for you. You want me to put one on? No, okay, thank you. I mean, I'm gonna be shocked if your skin doesn't have a reaction to everything that we just did to it. But I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe people normally put this much on their skin at once. I'm really not sure. I can't act like I know what I'm talking about here, because I definitely do not. Okay. Let me get rid of that on my hand. Okay, so like, you know, you of course like have this on now, right? I feel like I should keep the headband on you for your hair because, oh, how long do you have to keep that on for? Let me see. There is caffeine in it, so sorry if you weren't planning on sleeping anytime soon, or if you were. Unwrap the face mask. Place on clean face for 10 to 20 minutes. I guess we'll keep an eye on you. Remove mask and rub in excess serum until it's absorbed. Can you do that in 20 minutes? I don't want to sit here for that long. Discard after use. One time only. Okay, so good news is it sounds like the only thing we did wrong was we didn't put it on a completely clean face. But like we cleaned your face, put products, and then the face mask. So I think it should totally be fine. Like, I'm not too worried, to be honest with you. I mean, I'm not seeing an initial reaction, so I think you're okay. I mean, while we're waiting, how about we, do you want a lip oil? I mean, I guess it's the way to take it off for you right now while you just sit there. Here, let's give you a cute little lip oil. There you go. Best sister ever, I know. Okay, here you want a little more. Because why not? We've been putting so much on your face. It's like, why not just add to it? Alright, do you want perfume? Yes, I'm stalling a little bit. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Okay, how about we get you some perfume? Well, you always complain that the videos are too short sometimes, so I'm just going along with it, you know? It's a nice thing about sister hangouts. They're so informal and unprofessional, and we're just trying our best, because that's life, right? That's life. Okay. I don't think I could stall with anything else. TBH. Because we're kind of restricted with that face mask thing, so I can't really do your hair or anything like that. So I think I'm gonna have to let you go. Maybe go watch some TV, Ginny and Georgia to be specific, and then take it off in 20 minutes. I could tell Alexa to set a timer if you want, and then we'll see how everything turns out. Yes, I am cautiously optimistic. Alright, I'll keep you here.